we want the value of specific volume of wet steam, and we know the equation for the specific volume of wet steam, that is x multiplied by Vg. X is given in the problem, Vg from the steam table. So specific volume of wet steam is equals to 0.8 multiplied by 0.462, which will give us the answer. Specific volume of wet steam is equals to 0.3696 meter cube per kg. Now substituting this data in the above equation, we can get the mass of wet steam. So 0.15 is equals to ms multiplied by 0.3696, which will give us mass of steam is equals to 0.4058 kilogram. It means in this problem we have to calculate the mass, and the total volume of wet steam is given. In the sum of the numericals, they give the total internal energy of steam, and we have to calculate the mass. So friends, in this lecture we have studied the review of fundamentals of formation of steam along with the type of steam, specific enthalpy and specific volume of steam, density of steam, external work done of steam, and internal energy of steam, and numerical based on the above problem. And in the next lecture we are going to study the drainage fraction, different methods of measuring the drainage fraction like separating calorimeter, throttling calorimeter, and combined calorimeter, barrel calorimeter, and numerical based on these drainage fraction measurements. I think you have understood, and my special advice is please refer the book and solve the problems which are given at the end of the exercise. Thank you.